Hi, I'm Kathy. I like to make gluten-free pecan pie for special occasions. Even the non-gluten-free people enjoy it. We'll start with our gluten-free pie crust. Just carefully flip it over the rolling pin and then lift it to the pan and position it into place. We'll cut off any excess crust around the edge. Now still leave a little bit to tuck in, but just get rid of the big pieces. And then carefully work your way around the pie crust, tucking that raw edge in between the crust and the pie plate. Just makes the crust a little bit thicker around the edges. This crust is easily patched if you have a little hole or a tear. Work that in. And then we pinch all the way around just to make it pretty. This is something we do for a single crust pie. We're not putting a pie crust on top. We'll set it aside and we'll work on the filling. It starts with 3 eggs. I get my eggs locally just down the road from a farm. We whisk them up really well. And then we'll add a cup of organic raw sugar. This is the least processed form of sugar. We're going to continue whisking as we add each ingredient. A little pinch of sea salt. Stir that in. And some pure maple syrup, which I also buy locally. And melted butter. Now if you can't have any dairy, use melted coconut oil here. And we stir in our pecans, the star of the dish. Now we'll go back to that pie shell that we've prepared and carefully pour in our filling. And we'll put a collar of aluminum foil around the edge. This is to keep the edges from becoming overcooked. So I've just taken a couple strips of foil and folded them over lengthwise to give it some body. And then we tuck it in all around the edges and leave this on for the first 25 minutes of baking. After 25 minutes, we take that collar off. And when our pie is finished, it looks like this.